If you thought e-commerce marketing wasn't productive, it's time we change that perspective for you. Follow this case study as we share how this online store grew its e-commerce business using the right strategy, achieving 156% more in sales in just 3 months. Let's get to know this business a little bit more. About the business. This online jewelry store offers quite the alternative for buying jewelry online through a wide selection of earrings, necklaces, bracelets, watches, and more. They also offer to match the right owner to the jewelry you want to sell. Challenges for this online store. This business faced a huge challenge when they partnered with us. They had a lot of traffic visiting their site, but none interested in making a purchase. We found that their Google Ads account was poorly structured and had an inefficient keyword strategy. Online goals. The main goal to tackle. Aim to achieve at least a 4-to-1 ROAS. Every dollar spent needed to result in 4 times the revenue. A new strategy for their marketing plan. Eager to uplift this business's sales, we focused on a straightforward strategy to use in optimizing the account. By repurposing ads in front of audiences with the intent to purchase, we created remarketing campaigns to boost transactions and revenue. Inspected traffic quality through search queries and reinforcing filters through negative keywords. Shopping campaign product segmentation for better bid and budget management. And conversion data improvements to ensure maximized conversion value efficiency. The results. And just like that, in less than 4 months of managing pay-per-click with an e-commerce strategy, we transformed this account into one of the main revenue generators for this business. We increased conversions by 156%, cost per acquisition lowered 27%, improved conversion value by 2.6%, and achieved a ROAS of $41 for every dollar spent. An e-commerce strategy fit for your online store. Does this performance agree with your business objectives online? Learn how to create an e-commerce strategy that benefits your marketing effectiveness. Convert, retain, and get repeat customers. We are a message away from helping you get where you need to when it comes to online sales growth.